Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage editorial calendars with Asana. If you're juggling multiple content pieces and need a central place to organize ideas, assign writers, and track deadlines, Asana makes the entire editorial process visual and collaborative. Start by heading to asana.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click the plus button, then select New Project. This opens up your project creation options. From here, you can choose Blank Project if you want to build your editorial calendar from the ground up, or use Asana's built-in editorial calendar template if you prefer a ready-made structure with common stages already set up. Next, you'll name your project something clear like Editorial Calendar and choose your preferred layout. You have options for Board, List, or Calendar View. Board View works especially well for editorial workflows because it lets you see content moving through different stages at a glance. Once you've made your selections, click Create Project to launch your new workspace. If you started with a blank board, you'll want to create columns that represent your workflow. Click to add columns for stages like ideas, to write, to edit, to schedule, and published. These act as your content pipeline, showing exactly where each piece stands in the production process. Now it's time to add content. Click plus Add Task to create your first content piece. This becomes a card or item in your calendar. Open the task and type the content title in the task name field so it's easy to identify. Then click Due Date and select the date you plan to publish. This locks in your schedule and keeps everyone aligned on deadlines. Use the task description area to add details, outlines, or notes about the content. This is where you can include keywords, tone guidelines, or reference links. To assign responsibility, click Assignee and select the team member who will write or manage this piece. This ensures accountability and clarity on who's doing what. For a big picture view of your schedule, click the Calendar tab at the top of the project. This switches to a calendar layout where you can see all your content plotted by publish date. You can drag and drop tasks directly in this view to reschedule content as plans change, making adjustments quick and intuitive. Collaboration happens right inside each task. Use the comments section to share feedback, ask questions, or provide updates. This keeps all communication tied to the content itself rather than scattered across emails. Make it a habit to regularly review and update your editorial calendar to reflect new ideas, shifting deadlines, and changes in your publishing strategy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.